Good morning and Sai Ram to all. I hope all of you will be doing your studies, isn't it? Yes. And will be engaged in preparing what? For the exam. Isn't it? Very good. Okay. Now children, we'll start our next revision. This revision is based on chapter number 5, pattern. Okay? In previous video, we did which chapter? Chapter number 4. Okay? Now, in this video, we'll do the revision of pattern. Okay? So, all these questions which I have given in this video, you will do in your notebook. Clear children? Okay. Let's start our revision. Chapter number 5, pattern. Okay? Okay, children. This revision is based on chapter number 5, pattern. Okay? First, you all will write date. Okay? First, you all will write date here. And then, you will write maths revision. Then, you will write chapter 5. And then, you will write the name of the chapter, pattern. Okay? And all these questions you will do in your maths notebook. Clear? These questions you will do in your maths notebook. Clear children? Okay. So, let's start the questions. Our first question is multiple choice question. Means in this question, 3 options are given. You will choose the correct one and tick on the correct one. Clear? Like these are 3 options, and in these 3 options, which one the correct, you will tick in front of the correct one. Clear? Okay. So, our first question is, question number 1 is, these are the patterns given for you. First is A, B, capital A, capital B. Then after this, B, C, capital B, capital C. Okay? And here, one letter is missing, means 2 letters are missing. You will choose the letter from down from the option. Okay? And then you will tick. Clear? Okay. So, AB, then BC, and then DE and EF. So, AB, BC, what will the next pattern? Which pattern will come next after BC? Is CB, it's CD, or is it DC? Which one will come? Yes, AB, BC, and which will come? DCD. Okay, so you will tick in front of CD. CD is the correct option. CD. Okay, AB, BC, CD, DE, EF. Okay, now the next is ABC, DEF, ABC, DEF, and here one pattern is missing, and after what is written? JKL. Can you tell me which one the next pattern? Yes, ABC, DEF? Yes. Is it GHI or GKI or HGI? Which one is the correct? It's GHI. Which one is the correct? Correct one is GHI. First one is the correct. Okay? GHI is the correct one. Okay? Now, next is number 3. AAB, CCD, then EEF, and which one is the next pattern? What will come here? Yes, it's FFG or it's GGH or GHH. Which one will come? AAB, CCD, EEF. Yes. Here what will come? GGH. What will come? GGH. You will see the sequence of the pattern and then you will fill or you will tick. Clear? Okay. Now, the fourth one is, the fourth part is small a, capital A, small a. Small a, capital A, small a. Small b, capital B, small b. Okay? Then one pattern is missing here. Okay? And then small d, capital D, small d. Okay? Can you tell me which one is the next pattern or what will come here? What will come here? Options are given for you. What are the options? Options are small c, capital C, small c. Capital C, small c, capital C. Capital C, capital C, small c. So which one is the correct option? Yes. The sequence of the patterns are small, capital, small. Small, capital, small. So this one is the correct one. Small, capital, small. Small c, capital C, small c. Small c, capital C, small c. Okay? Okay. Now the fifth one is, fifth part is A, C, E. Here one letter is missing. After A what will come? B. So B is missing. And after C again one letter is missing. After C what will come? D. So D is missing. After E, can you tell me after E what will come? What is the next pattern? Yes. Is it F or G or H? Which one is the correct option? Yes. After E, here one letter will be missed and then what next letter will come? Yes, it's G. What will come next? G. Okay. So what you will write here? Which one is the correct option? G is the correct option. Okay. Now sixth part. What is given? 1 1. Pattern is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. Okay. And after 3 what will come? Or which one is the next pattern? Yes. Is it 4 3? Is it 4 4 or 4 5? Which one is the correct option? Yes. 4 4 is the correct option. Okay. So you will write or you will tick 4 4. 4 4 is the correct one. Clear? Okay. Now seventh part. Seventh part is your, here some pictures are given for you. Okay. In the shape of pattern. Like first is moon and then star, then moon, then star, then moon. Can you tell me which one is next? Which pattern will come here? Yes. Which pattern will come here? Is it star? Is it moon? Or is it sun? Which one will come here? Here. Which one will come? Star will come. Okay. So you will tick on the star and you will draw star here. Okay. In your notebook. Clear? Okay. Our eighth part is, question number 8 is, again one more picture pattern is given here. In this, what is given? What you have seen? Here, one leaf, two flower, then one leaf, then what will come here? Next pattern. What is the next pattern will come here? Is it leaves, two leaves, or two flowers, or one flower, or one leaf? Yes, the pattern is given one leaf, two flower, one leaf, then which one will come here? This one. Two leaf, two flowers. Okay, two flowers will come here. So you will tick on flowers and draw here flowers also. You will draw flowers here. Clear? Okay. Now the ninth part is, what picture pattern is given here? Two apples, one mango. Then again two apples, one mango. So what pattern will come next? What pattern will come next? Yes, here, what will come next? Yes. Which one is the correct option? Yes. Two apples, then one mango, then again two apples, one mango, then what will come next? Two mangoes, or two apples, or one mango, or one apple? Which one is the correct? Yes, this two apples is the correct option. So you will tick in front of two apples and here you will draw two apples. Okay? Here you will draw two apples. Clear? Okay. The 10th part is here. So our 10th part is two sad faces are given here and one smile face. Two sad faces and one smile face. Again, two sad faces and one smile face. Okay? Then after this smile face, which pattern will come here? This two smile faces will come, or two sad faces will come, or one smile and one sad face will come. Which one is the correct option? Which one is the correct one? Yes, this one is the correct one. Two sad faces. Okay, the next pattern is two sad faces. So you will draw here two sad faces and tick on two sad faces. Okay? Okay. Our second question is, do these form a pattern? Do these form a pattern? Down some patterns are given for you. You will tick yes or no. If the pattern formed, then you will tick in front of yes. If pattern is not being properly, you will tick in front of no. Okay, so our first pattern is, what is the pattern given here? 2 sunflowers and 1 rose flower. Okay, then again 2 sunflowers and 1 rose flower, then 2 sunflowers and 1 rose flower. So is it a pattern? Is it form a pattern? Yes or no? Yes, it is a pattern. It is form a pattern. So what you will do? You will tick in front of yes. Yes. Okay. Next is, second part is, here in this pattern 2 type of trees are given here. Okay, we'll see the pattern. Is it correct or not? Is it form a pattern or not? Okay, so in this, first is coconut tree and then Christmas tree, then again coconut tree, then Christmas tree, then 2 coconut trees are given here, and again Christmas tree and coconut tree. So is it form a pattern? Yes or no? No, because the sequence is not correct. Here 2 trees are given, so this is not form a pattern. So on which you will tick? On yes, in front of yes you will tick, or in front of no you will tick? You will tick in front of no, because it is not form a pattern. Okay, our third part is, what pictures are given here? 2 clouds are given here and 1 sunny is given here, then again 2 cloudy, 1 sunny, 2 cloudy and 1 sunny. Okay, so is it form a pattern? Yes, it is form a pattern. Okay, so you will tick in front of yes. Yes. Okay, now next picture is, what is the next picture? Our fourth part is, fourth part, 2 fishes are given here. Okay, and 1 whale, then again 2 fishes and 1 whale, then after whale what is given here? Only 1 fish is given here. Is it form a pattern? No, it is not form a pattern. So we will tick in front of, so we will tick in front of no. Okay, we will tick in front of no. Our fifth part is, what pattern pictures are given here? Mushroom, then brinjal, then mushroom, brinjal, mushroom, brinjal, mushroom, brinjal, mushroom, and then brinjal. So is it form a pattern? Yes, it is form a pattern. So we will tick in front of yes. Okay, next part is, sixth part is, here what picture is given? 1 cup of tea, then 1 glass of milk, again cup of tea, then glass of milk, again cup of tea, then glass of milk, again cup of tea, and then 2 glasses are given here. Okay, so it is not in sequence, it is not form a pattern. So we will tick in front of no. Okay, because because it is not in pattern. Okay, so we will take in front of no. Seventh part is, here two types of ice cream are given here. Ice creams. Do you like ice creams? Yes. I also like ice cream. So, one is in cone and two in cup. Okay. Cone ice cream and cup ice creams. Okay. Then again one cone and two cups. Again one cone and two cups. And then one cone. So, do these form a pattern? Yes or no? Yes. It is in pattern. Okay. It is in pattern. Okay, so we will take in front of yes. Now, next is, what picture is given here? Bat ball and volleyball. Okay, so let us see the pattern. One bat ball and one volleyball. Again one bat ball and then one volleyball. Then again two bat balls. So, is it in pattern? No, it is not in pattern. So, we will tick in front of no. It is not in pattern. Okay, I hope you all understood this patterns. Okay, so you will do these questions, these pictures, you will draw in your notebook, and you can color also your pictures. Your pictures should be very neat and tidy. Okay, okay, so do all these questions in your notebook and prepare your exam. Sai Ram children, thank you.